Hey, what's up, my people? How are you doing tonight? I hope you're doing well. My name is Dalton, Dalton, and this is my channel. Welcome back. And if you're new, think about subscribing, all right? I have a lot of really good, helpful videos on my playlist that I think you'll like. Now, today we're gonna do another unboxing. That's right. I'm gonna do one of my famous unboxings, and it is going to be the LVLUP gaming headset. That's right, the LVLUP gaming headset. I saw these and they caught my eye, brought out my inner child with the flashy lights and everything. But before I get started, I want to give a shout out to all my subscribers and viewers. Thank you for a great year last year, and hopefully we have a great year this year. All right, now, cool thing about these particular headset is that, yes, they are LED. They have LED lights on them that rotate, which is cool, which I'll show you in a minute. Now, I got my drink, got my notes, so if you see me looking down, that's what I'm looking at, all right? I'll give you a second to get your drinks, and let's do this. All right, so these are the LVLUP. The brand is LVLUP, that's spelled LVLUP, gaming headset, okay? And it's called Trio, Trio gaming headset, okay? And here they are. Yes, and yes, they do come with the LED lights. This is fancy. I popped the box open before I created a video so I wouldn't be struggling with it. Right there. As you see, it does have some sweet LED lights, and yeah, they do rotate. I've seen other people do reviews on them, and once you plug the headphones in to a USB port. Yeah, I'm using mine for my television, okay? Now, and sometimes my phone. Now, if you do just want to just use them in gaming and you don't use the USB plug-in, then the LED lights are not gonna work, but everything else will, including the microphone, of course, you know, the headset so you can hear everything. All right, but if you want that full experience, you gotta plug in with the USB into whatever device, okay? That's super important. Now, I want to give a shout out to my homegirl Stephanie. Thanks to my Stephanie giving me a very nice Christmas gift, okay? Probably the middle of January, if not the very beginning of February of 2024, this year, I'll be able to go ahead and buy me a used computer, okay? And I'm probably most likely gonna get it from Amazon because you can buy like i7s for between $80 to $100 that are upgradable, okay, to a certain extent, of course. But it'll be able to run my Windows 10, as well as, because I do boot as my Linux Mint, and I heard they're supposed to be coming out with Linux Mint 21.3, and the really cool part is they have one called Linux Mint 21.3 Edge. They have a brand new kernel, but that's another story. But anyway, I already created a video on how to buy a used computer for between $80 and $100. I'll see if I can put that in the description, okay? But on with the unboxing here. Again, thanks, Steph. Now, let's pull this sucker out. Oh, I got these for $20. That's right. I know that's a little bit more than I usually spend. I usually show you unboxings for headphones for what, or earplugs for $5 or $10. But yes, but it's worth it, and you'll see what I mean. Okay. Let's pull this baby out. Very nice. Very nice display. Yep. See that? See that? Very nice. See the mic? Very cool. They are very snug. I think 70 to 80% of the noise I was hearing before putting out on these have just went away. That's really good quality. Nice padding for the ears. Nice padding also right here. Very nice. Okay, now it also comes with a manual. So if you get stuck somewhere, you know how to, get unstuck. With a manual. All right, now, I don't know if you can see that, but control switch right there, including right here is the volume, okay? Up, down volume. This right here controls your LED lights as well as the microphone. You can mute it, very cool. Give you a lot of control in your hand without having to reach too far down. You got it right there. I like that. Okay, and as I stated, these are very snug. So let me give you some details about this, all right? Let me run down some specs on this. Excuse me. All right, as I told you, brand is LVLUP, LVLUP, all right? Now, this has a universal connection. So basically this works with Xbox. It's gonna answer your questions before you ask them. It works with Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and PC. Very nice, very nice. Okay, now these are very comfortable, adjustable headband, and of course padded ear pads. All right, or ear cups rather. All right, and see if you can see that without being into very nice padding, very secure, adjustable. You can adjust these. I'm not gonna go too far on that, but as you see, definitely adjustable. Okay, the mic, very flexible. All right, and yes, at the end of that mic, that's also an LED light. So when you got your LED going on, yep, that lights up too. Okay, that's pretty cool. So the crazy thing about this is what you get you get all that for $20, and there's more. Hold on. You get this universal adapter. Okay, now if you see here, this could plug into any 3.5 millimeter jack, right? And as I was stating, to get the LED lights to work, you need to plug in the USB, okay? But there's more. If you didn't notice, they even give you a adapter. This is really, really nice. Okay, you can use it for this or anything else you need to use it for, but this is really, really nice. And this, of course, snaps to here, like that. And then you could just plug this into your PC, your TV, which I'll be using mine with. You could plug it into any phone that has any phone, tablet, or even a MacBook. Okay, as long as you have that adapter that anybody using Mac or Apple know what I'm talking about, or you can plug it into any laptop. Okay, they're 3.5 millimeter socket right there. Very nice, and they giving you the adapter. Okay, some places make you pay for all this stuff. They're giving you everything you need. Okay, I like that. All right, and gotta get your game on. What? All right. So, as you see, I'm loving these already, and I haven't even really started using them. I'm loving them already. Haven't started using them, but I'm loving them. Okay, and I'll be using these for my television, and as soon as I get myself a used PC, as I stated, I'm planning on getting an i7. Okay, I'll be able to use them on my PC. All right, so that is my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I did see someone actually, a gamer actually use these, and if I could find his video, I'll try to put it in, if I could find his video, okay? I'll try to put it into the description box below, all right? Hopefully I can find it again. But that's my unboxing. I hope you enjoy it, all right? And I ask you to also check out my playlist. I have a lot of playlists, videos I created. I have officially created a little bit, I have officially created 1,000 videos on my YouTube channel. So I'll be uploading a lot more real soon, all right? And I know that you're gonna enjoy some of the stuff I have to show you. All right, so whether you're doing PC gaming or you're using your Mac, whether you're using your PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, okay, whether you're using Windows or Linux or just Steam in general, you know, these are gonna work for you at a very low price of $20 from Family Dollar. And I'm sure you probably can find them other places. I got mine at Family Dollar, and you can get yours there too. All right? And I shall rap to you later. Thanks for watching. Peace out.